Sit. Good girl. You stay right there. No, sit. We're trying to get a picture here, Chip, of you near the fireplace. I know you're excited. Okay, okay. Hi, little girl with your tail wagging. Whoa! Sit. Sit. You don't really mean that sitting, though, do you? No, you don't. Okay, that's the end of our fireplace video. Stay. 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 Okay, over and out. Tail. Fireplace. Puppy. Okay, bye. Okay, Chip, lead us out. You're the tail wagging. Lead us outside. Good girl. Go ahead. Come on. It's okay. Go ahead. Go see the blizzard. Go see it. Come on. Good girl. I know. It's exciting. Good girl. Go see the blizzard. Oh, she's afraid to go down the stairs. Come on. Go ahead. Go ahead. I know it's scary. Wow. I know it's exciting. I'm coming down the stairs. Okay, we're going to stop filming while I get down the stairs. Here we are. In our winter wonderland. Where's the dog? There's the puppy. There's the puppy. Look at this place out here. Look how cute. All our little lanterns, look at them. They have 6 inches of snow on them. The clock has 6 inches. Look at that. Look at our winter wonderland out here. Hi, Chip. Let's go look at the lighthouse over here. If you want to see how much snow we're having, there's 6 inches on our lighthouse. I'm trying to follow the dog here without making you sick. She won't stand still. Good girl. Good girl. Chip doesn't recognize her backyard right now. Oh, okay, well, sorry, Chip will try to give you a little bit of privacy here. Look at that pink collar. Look at that pink collar. Look at the stairs, you can't even make your way up there. Oh, unless you're the dog. Good girl. Oh, look at our puppy. Okay, come say goodbye, Chip. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, say goodbye to your mama. Say goodbye. Oh, tilt your head. Look at that. Okay, Chip, you gotta say goodbye to your mama now. That was just a little mini freak out for you. Good girl. Chip, come here. Come say goodbye. Good girl. Hey. Oh, okay. I guess you're gonna... Whoa. Okay, I guess you're coming to have a little freak out. There she goes. Can't keep up with her. Where'd she go? Oh, here she comes around again. Okay, I guess this is the way you want to say goodbye. Okay, goodbye. You're done, huh? I can tell you're done. Is that what you mean when you go near the door? Okay. Okay. Goodbye, puppy. Yummy, yummy. I like the camera. Say a kiss goodbye. Good girl. Oh, that was a cute kiss goodbye.